right, so welcome everybody to another masterclass from the LNOD communities. As you all know, the Learning NOD Roundtable is now the LNOD communities. This is Asia's first and Asia's largest communities of practice, and we're very excited to be able to bring you very differentiated learning platforms from the LNOD communities. And especially today, because we are here early celebrating International Women's Day, and rightly so. The theme for this year is Inspire Inclusion. And inclusion does indeed need inspiration across organizations, given this is where most of the diversity, equity, inclusion agendas often come unstuck. So here's wishing all organizations a great innings through 24-25 with inclusion of women within the organization. So welcome everyone to Woman Phenomenal Woman, that's you. And like I said, today is a masterclass with a difference because we're going to learn through the mode of music. And what better music other than Bollywood music, because it has some of the most inspiring lyrics in our lifetime. And I know that they continue to inspire us, even through our everyday sort of addiction to Bollywood music. So come. And, we all enjoy and take so much of inspiration from Bollywood. It's what kind of puts a skip in our steps sometimes, ups our spirits when we're not having such a great day. And so, again, welcome everyone. I'm particularly delighted to see the number of registrations that have come in from men. So I think that particularly gender diversity appears to be coming of age with so many men who have registered to be able to come here. I hope you're not just here for Dr. Deepak Deshpande. All right. So, we do have Dr. Deepak Deshpande here with me. Deepak, please feel free to say hi to everyone because this is so great to have you here. And Dr. Deepak Deshpande has recorded over 5,000 songs, is an absolute avid Bollywood music. He's basically an exponent in Bollywood music. And we're very excited to be able to bring in his energy and his positivity and his excitement to be able to present these songs to you today. So welcome, Deepak. Okay, so before we get down to what it is that we're going to be doing, and we have some really fabulous stuff lined up for you, I want to take a couple of minutes to introduce you to the LNOD communities. Which is what I just spoke about. This is Asia's first and largest communities of practice. I'll take a couple of minutes to be able to introduce all of you who may not be aware yet of the LNOD communities. We just recently launched this a couple of months ago, but I'm delighted we're still onboarding people. And, part of being able to participate in the event today was to be able to register with the LNOD community. So you're practically already there. Like I said, this is basically the next level evolution of the LNOD roundtable, and it is my pleasure and my delight to be able to introduce LNOD communities to all of you here today. So, like we said, the maxim of this community is the power of collective intelligence, and especially that professionals need many other professionals in their journey of evolution and learning, and the community provides that perfect setting, which actually gives weight to the adage that it takes a village to raise a child and a community to raise a professional. So here is the community that can help raise the professional for you. The whole purpose of learning is to turn mirrors into windows, and that is what this platform is.
A village to raise a child and a community to raise a professional. Especially in times of uncertainty and disruption, there is undeniable power in coming together to make meaning as a community. Established in 2010, the LNOD Roundtable has been serving 25,000 members and is now an online communities of practice, Asia's largest communities of practice. With a vision to mine collective intelligence, co-create new knowledge, and manifest excellence for fellow professionals, the LNOD Roundtable Communities of Practice invites you to join 8 thematic groups and 4 subgroups on leadership, the future of work, innovation, and much more. Join a group or even create your own group to solve problems, share ideas every day, and stay edgy about the latest knowledge on themes that matter most in the new economy. All groups are anchored by industry leaders on a daily basis. There is also a council of industry stalwarts providing advisory services. Simply direct your query and expect a speedy response. Access the largest community learning marketplace where you can register for upcoming conferences, programs, certifications, and can purchase learning resources. Browse through the LNOD gallery to learn from over 12 years of masterclasses by industry experts and know what they are reading today. Join the LNOD Roundtable communities of practice, where every voice counts, where knowledge is democratized. It takes a village to raise a child and a community to raise a professional. Join your everyday community today.
You're right. I think with that, want to be able to tell you that this is the vision, which is to be able to mine collective intelligence, give you access to best in class within the community, to basically make meaning of these very disruptive times together, to try and solve some of these wicked problems together through discourse, through conversations, through dialogue, through masterclasses, through podcasts, and so on. So there are lots of resources here. This is who we mean when we mean the community. We're talking about, subject matter experts. We're talking about consultants, students, government coming together, international professionals coming together, authors coming together, CHROs coming together, academicians coming together. So this is really a melting pot of, it has a lot of diversity by itself to be able to create meaningful meaning making. This platform is about preparing the 21st century future-ready professional. And so if you believe that this is the journey you want to contribute to, this is the person you want to become, this is the platform for you. It is to the community, for the community, by the community, which is the community helping each other by democratizing knowledge. There are 8 thematic groups on themes that matter the most to our times, whether it's leadership, whether it's the future of work, whether it's wellness or well-being, whether it's innovation, whether it's diversity, equity, and inclusion. There are also 4 problem-solving groups that we've created called the Industry Academia Bridge, DI Momentum, which a lot of organizations are struggling with, MSME development, and talent retention. These are the 4 that we've identified as perhaps problems that all organizations are experiencing, and how can we basically solve these wicked problems by being able to share insights, build perspective, share solutions, and so on and so forth. You can also ask for your own group. So there's no reason why you can't ask for one. The community manager can help you create it by being able to invite the kind of people you want on your group through the community. So sharing of ideas, it's building of perspectives, it's sharing pertinent content, videos, podcasts, documents, polls, what have you, to be able to come together. The expert advisory services allows you to post a question or to send across a question or seek a solution from leading industry experts. And this can come back to you in a day, 2 days, so that you're able to work on the insights and bring in the perspectives and the mind power of some really outstanding thought leaders from the industry. So expert advisory services, we have, who's reading what, so that you can basically be inspired to read more. There's content which you can actually use to be able to create solutions internally, to be able to, build powerful presentations internally, to be able to influence people inside your own organization. The Ideas Project is our own podcast of the LNOD communities. There is obviously masterclasses like the one you're attending currently. There is a gallery of all the past almost 15 years of masterclasses that we have available for you to be able to access. There are a lot of learning resources on contemporary themes available. There are blogs available. You can upload your own blogs on this platform. So this is really, a fabulous sort of a platform to give you access to each other's thoughts, to be able to access each other's tacit knowledge. This is increasingly becoming more vibrant with more people coming in on board. The Learning Universe, which has basically got programs, certifications, what's happening throughout the city, throughout the country, so that you can access this. This is the largest learning marketplace that we are about to create. You can use this in so many meaningful ways to be able to solve problems internally, to call for your own group, to reach out to experts, to be able to use resources. This is basically your contemporary go-to place for learning and for accessing collective intelligence. It is the new age way of learning by coming together as a community to be able to share, to be able to care, to be able to support, to be generous, to be able to become this village that can help to be able to raise high quality professionals. Here's the very outstanding governing council that has actually enabled, the idea of the platform and the execution of the platform. All industry veterans, leaders, they have all very iconic people. They continue contributing very significantly to the community. And I think with that, I've kind of largely come to what it is that you all came here to join. You're already part of the LNOD communities, so please start actively participating, popularize this, socialize it, invite more people to be able to come in and become part of this ever-growing community. I think with that, I'm really delighted. We have Akhil Basrai and Ritu Anand, both have joined this session here today. So I'll just ask them to keep it really brief, but if you can come in for a couple of seconds to be able to talk to the audience here today. Can I invite Ritu first?
Good day to everybody and pleasure to be here. Yes, Sujaya, LNOD actually offers a lot and a lot more, which is more personalized, could be more personalized. And I've been urging, and I would urge all the HR professionals to take benefit of this. This particular thing, musical podcast or musical workshop that is being created is very, very innovative, and I couldn't miss it for anything. The fact that it comes on in March, which is Women's Month, I always thought it was a month. I don't call it a day. And the year of women is always there till we reach 50-50. Participation of men being our allies, is the best thing that I'm seeing in the last 15 to 16 years of working in this space. So this is the best time for you all to aspire, ask, and go for it. All the very best, and sing along, and see you again.
Thank you. Thank you, Ritu. Akhil?
Hi, Sudhaya and rest of my team members. And, celebrating Women's Day is actually a wrong move, because it tells us that we only give attention on a particular day or a week or a month, like Ritu mentioned. I think what is required to replace that is a continuous mindset that there is a diversity to be lived with, to be promoted, to be championed. And inclusiveness is something new that has governed the scenario in the last 2 decades. But both of them make a lot of business sense. It's not a nice to do, or you look very up to date with times moving, but it makes a tremendous impact on the business itself. And having practiced this myself, I'm championing the diversity in my career with Motorola, Shell, IBM, wherever it is. I've personally noticed that there is an impact, measurable impact on business. And if that is so, then an occasion like this should revive the whole curiosity and the commitment for the cause. One could not have thought of a more novel idea, Sujaya, than to sing along. So maybe Ritu is actually preparing, and I heard her practice. She's going to sing some song today on this call. Not talking about Deshpande because he's a professional. But on a serious note, whatever we do, whatever excites the top remembrance of the topic and reinforces our commitment to do something about it is important. It's not a birthday party or an anniversary or something that you just celebrate with flowers and gifts and party, but it is not insignificant also. You do need certain occasions, trigger points, switches to trigger off an idea, recommitment. If we don't do this type of things, we will mentally still be committed, but we will not get down to doing something about it and doing more about it. And nothing.
Thank you. Thank you for saying that.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Akhil. That was just so that was just so perfect. I mean, calling out that you don't need a Women's Day, but that you also actually need one to be able to call out, the focus that you want, the attention that you want, or the momentum that you still want around this theme. So thank you. And so everyone, are you all set? And get to the chat and give me a nice thumbs up sign if you're ready to have fun. All right. So Yeah, we're not going to look at diversity and inclusion ratios and how well every organization is doing or not doing. We're just going to have a lot of fun with songs. And yeah, I mean, I'm going to move forward and first of all invite, my partner in crime today, Dr. Deshpande, who's going to be doing a lot of the singing, considering I have a cold and a cough. But the thing is, we're going to try and do as much as we can together. So this year's theme, folks, is Inspire Inclusion. And this is where it's coming unstuck. It's the second part of representation, inclusion, and impact. So you get no impact if you have no inclusion. And so clearly, I can see that the International Women's Organization have already sort of, unbundled that in short, what we really need is a big yes for inclusion. So we have 7 parts to the program today, all right? Which means that we're going to take 7 streams and try and sing some really relevant Bollywood songs in each of these segments. So there is some live singing. So just for, in case some of you thought this was going to be clippings of Bollywood films and all that, no. You're very much going to listen to Dr. Deshpande and myself, okay, Deepak and myself, through the course of the next 7 streams. And I want you to particularly do a couple of things. This still remains a learning session, so keep a book and a pen handy, okay, number 1. Number 2 is the book and the pen is for you to be able to take away insights that you're getting. Obviously, we're going to learn through the lyrics of some of these songs, all right? And Deepak and I are going to be sharing what's inspiring us here today, all right? But we want to know what's inspiring you, so keep noting that on the chat. Look, I'll tell you one thing about India, and we all know that, is that everyone in India is a singer. So don't even start to tell us that you're not a singer, okay? You may not think you're a great singer, but you're a singer. And so we want to know how many of you would like to be able to come into the open mic, but listen to the songs that we have for you first, and then tell us what is inspiring you to be able to sing, all right? Okay, so we're going to start with the first theme, which is compelling life philosophies. And I don't know how many of you here on this masterclass here today agree that especially for the diverse segments of society which we're trying to integrate into the workforce, it's not an easy journey. Yeah, it's a journey of exploration. It's a journey of new experiences. It's often uncharted territory. It's stumbling blocks that you didn't see coming through. It's support you didn't get when you wanted the most. It's being able to stand tall despite not be feeling your best that day. So now I dare say that the men and the women and just about all diversities experience this. But because today is about women, I'm going to try and basically draw in the attention of women to be able to reflect on what are your life philosophies? Do you have any? Have you created those? Are there some compelling philosophies that are compelling you to go forward and to keep on? And, I believe I have a lot of life philosophies that I have created as I went along. And I know that in the worst time, there have been some outstanding songs, some really outstanding music that has made me feel better and has made me feel inspired to continue and has made me feel that everything's not lost yet. It's just fine. It's just another day. And, really that is the power of music. It has the power to heal. It has the power to inspire. It has the power to change your mood. So we're going to try and pick 3, basically compelling life philosophies here and tell us what you thought of it. At the end of every segment, we want to see the chat on fire, which is start telling us what you liked, which of these philosophies are also yours. If this is also a favorite song for you, then let us know. Any other song that comes to mind, note that as well. If you want to sing, note that as well. All right? Okay. So happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions, right? And, this so reflects my life philosophy, but I know it is the life philosophy of many, that nothing's ready-made. We actually have to make our own lives. So let's move forward to the very first one. In your own places, give a round of applause because we're going to start hearing some real live singing. It's not to any musical tracks. It's basically live singing. Someone a long time back told me something when I was learning how to sing, which is especially when it comes to Bollywood or a song that's already been sung by a great before, don't bother about imitating them, right? Just take the song and make it your own. right? Take the song, make it your own. It always sounds melodious if you've taken the song and made it your own. So I'm hoping you're going to hear a lot of that today, which is how we took a song and made it our own. All right. So let's keep going. Okay. The very first one we're going to start with is an absolutely gorgeous number. It's from a movie called Bade Dilwala. And really, what a nice way to start, right? Bade Dilwala. And the lyricist is Majroon Sultanpuri. It's an R.D. Burman. I mean, what else can it be? And, here's the song. It was sung originally by Kishore Kumar. There's also a female version sung by Lata Mangeshkar, but we're going to try and basically get this started. So, Deepak?
Yes. Okay, so before we get in, good afternoon to everybody. So without much ado, thank you for joining. Few lines for you all wonderful people who have joined us and everybody who's listening. मुझ में और किस्मत में हर बार बस यही जंग है, मैं उसके फैसलों से तंग और वो मेरे हौसलों से दंग. This is a dedication to all the women around. Okay,
Nice
the
one.
song goes like this, friends.
Yeah.
जीवन के दिन छोटे सही, हम भी बड़े दिल वाले. जीवन के दिन छोटे सही, हम भी बड़े दिल वाले. कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ, छोटे हिम्मत वाले. ये जिंदगी दर्द भी है, ये जिंदगी है दवा भी. आगे सोचिए. I leave it back to Dr. Sujaya.
Okay. ये जिंदगी दर्द भी है, ये जिंदगी है दवा भी, दिल तोड़ना ही न जाने, जाने ये दिल जोड़ना भी. इस जिंदगी का शुक्रिया सदके मैं ऊपर वाले. कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ, सोचे तो हम मत वाले. जीवन के दिन छोटे सही, हम भी बड़े दिल वाले. कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ, सोचे तो हम मत वाले. Okay, all right, super stuff. But sing along, and that's when we're going to have more fun. Come on, Deepak, do you want to do this one?
Yep. I'm sure there are many veterans here. They love this song, and I'm sure many young too. हम है राही प्यार के, हमसे कुछ न बोलिए. हम है राही प्यार के, हमसे कुछ न बोलिए. जो भी प्यार से मिला, हम उसी के हो लिए. दर्द भी हमें कबूल, चैन भी हमें कबूल. दर्द भी हमें कबूल, चैन भी हमें कबूल. हमने हर तरह के फूल हार में पिरो लिए. हमने हर तरह के फूल हार में पिरो लिए. जो भी प्यार से मिला, हम उसी के हो लिए. As you listen to the song, please reflect on the words. They're so inspiring and meaningful and so deep. Thank you.
Okay, all right. I think with that, we're going to move to the next one. Deepak, do you want to go on to this one? I think this is a very compelling life philosophy, and you don't have this, you're going to have a real problem. दुनिया में रहना है तो Come on, Deepak, go ahead.
Yes. मेहरबानो, कदरदानो, दोस्तों, यारों, अरे खेल देखो खेल. 1, 2, 3, up. दुनिया में जीना है तो काम कर प्यारे. दुनिया में रहना है तो काम कर प्यारे, हाथ जोड़ सबको सलाम कर प्यारे। दुनिया में रहना है तो काम कर प्यारे, हाथ जोड़ सबको सलाम कर प्यारे। वरना ये दुनिया जीने नहीं देगी, खाने नहीं देगी, पीने नहीं देगी। खेल कोई नया सुबह शाम कर प्यारे। दुनिया में जीना है तो काम कर प्यारे, हाथ जोड़ सबको सलाम कर प्यारे। वरना ये दुनिया जीने नहीं देगी, खाने नहीं देगी, पीने नहीं देगी। Reskilling, that is for you and for me and for everybody.
All right, so I'm going to recap that for you. Yeah, compelling life philosophies. जीवन के दिन छोटे सही, हम हैं बड़े दिल वाले, right? And then we're talking about हम है राही प्यार के, हमसे कुछ ना बोलिए, जो भी प्यार से मिला हम उसी के हो लिए. Social intelligence, and the last one that he's talking about, दुनिया में रहना है तो काम करो प्यारे, right? So there is nothing, there's no replacement for the hard work. Yeah, there is absolutely no replacement for continuous learning. There is no replacement for knowing how to adapt, adjust around power, around authority, around all of that to be able to succeed in a workplace. I think you already know what it is that I'm actually talking about. I think with that, we move to the next one. And our next stream is around gratitude, right? And like we all say, gratitude is a great attitude, but we want to be able to reiterate gratitude in the journey of succeeding within an organization. Important both for men and for women, but most important, it's important as a life philosophy. And I think to present this, I'm going to invite Deepak to be able to sing our first song in this space.
हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाव है कहीं कहीं तो धूप जिंदगी। हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो। चाहे जो तुम्हें पूरे दिल से, डॉट यू वांट टू,
No, go ahead.
मिलता है वो मुश्किल से, ऐसा जो कोई कहीं है, बस वही सब से हंसी है। उस हाथ को तुम थाम लो, वो मेहरबान कल हो न हो। हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो।
Nice, lovely.
Thank
And
you.
so we're talking about, we're reiterating our life is transient, and that oftentimes we have overreactions to situations. It's not uncommon, to have conflict situations or to be really upset with people around us, and to see some people or believers of ourselves and some people who've not believed in us, and so on and so forth. But it's all so transient, so transient. And therefore the opportunity to be able to basically see life in perspective, to live every moment, to basically experience every moment, and to learn from every moment, more importantly. And is that if you travel light, you're going to have a nicer journey. And that's what the Kal Ho Na Ho is really all about. We have a second one, which I'm sure is a common prayer, which a lot of, I know organizations, manufacturing facilities use, but I've always found it extremely inspiring. And I think it continues and can carve a very important life philosophy. So, Deepak, I'm going to take this one.
Please, go ahead.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे। बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे, भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
Okay, all right. So I think that is a nice prayer to start off with. And you need the prayers. I know every woman who's on this call here and man knows how many times you need the prayer. You know what I mean? You need the power of prayers. And I think with that, let's move to the next one. And this time we're going to talk about resilience to failure. Now, I'm going to talk a bit about this because, I do work for, Duke Corporate Education across the globe. And this not being able to bounce back or the fear of failure is such a compelling feeling by women across the world. We spoke recently about the instance of a woman on a board not being able to speak up through 3 board meetings. And I took that as an example when we were talking about women on boards. And I was amazed at the number of women in a foreign audience resonated with that situation of not having spoken up when they should have, not having seized the moment, not having the resilience to be able to stand up to whatever it is that they were compelled to do at that time. And that the realization when you don't do it is that you're actually the only hope for all the women who have not made it to a boardroom. For all the women who have not yet succeeded, have not climbed the ladder, you're basically their voice inside the room. And therefore, you owe it to all of them more than yourself to be able to basically speak up. So resilience and resilience to failure, is a theme that I picked because it seems to resonate with so many people. So I'm going to invite Deepak to be able to sing our first song in the resilience to failure segment. So that I'm hoping there's some inspiring words here on everyone who needs that resilience. Okay.
Lovely. Thank you, Dr. Sujaya. The last song you sang, those lines can be a great start to this song, especially where you sang, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे, भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. What a wonderful play. It brought kind of tears to my eyes. This can be a wonderful foundation. Every time we endeavor on a new journey, रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के, रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के. ओ राही ओ राही, वो राही वो राही. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, lovely, lovely, but such lovely, lovely words, beautiful words. And I'm going to add to that by being able to sing one of my favorites, right? Oh, ho, 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 oh, ho, ओ नदिया चले चले रे धारा, ओ नदिया चले चले रे धारा, चंदा चले चले रे तारा, तुझको चलना होगा, तुझको चलना होगा, तुझको चलना होगा, तुझको चलना होगा. Now listen to the antara. This is so powerful. जीवन कभी भी ठहरता नहीं है, जीवन कभी भी ठहरता नहीं है,
आंधी से तूफान डरता नहीं है, तू ना चलेगा तो चल देंगी राहें, तू ना चलेगा तो चल देंगी राहें, ओ तू ना चलेगा तो चल देंगी राहें, मंजिल को तरसेंगी तेरी निगाहें, तुझको चलना होगा, तुझको चलना होगा, तुझको चलना होगा, तुझको चलना होगा.
I think these words, kind of encapsulate for me resilience, anti-fragility, all of them. It is about being able to bounce back. It is about being able to continue no matter what. I mean, I know of so many women who just gave up their careers because of one wrong experience, or because they didn't feel treated well, or they didn't feel well respected, or they didn't feel taken seriously. And then they've just given up their careers and never gone back, or they've taken a large sabbatical because they feel nonplussed about whether they should pursue their careers anymore, or because they're not sure whether they would be treated with equal footing after having a child or after taking a break for a personal transition. This whole spirit of tujhko chalna hoga is so important. And this whole antara saying that basically it's saying tu na chalega to chal dengi raheं, manzil ko tarsengi teri nigaheं, which is really saying that the destination is calling out to you. So if you decide not to get there, the destination is already calling out to you, saying, come here, come along, you're going to succeed even more, you're going to become even more greater. So don't ignore that and continue walking, because the destination, the glory, the ultimate is all waiting for you to manifest. And I think that's such a beautiful thought, right? So I think with that, let's move to the next one, which is we owe it to our potential. So this is like so linked to the whole piece on resilience to failure. And we'll now pick up, we owe it to our potential. So Deepak, you want to take on the next one?
Yes, but before.
We have a nice metaphor this time, right? For what it is that we're saying we owe to our potential.
True. You are wonderful. What should I say? Curator. I never imagined that when you call me, and thank you, Dr. Sujaya, for this opportunity to, can we do something like this on Women's Day? I said, oh, yes. For me, when I just said yes, it was for me an opportunity to sing that song. But I never imagined that it can really turn out to be so inspiring and so motivating. The last lines that you read out, I think they're truly, truly inspiring. And I think worth every day going through and keeping ourselves motivated. Okay, so गाड़ी बुला रही है, सीटी बजा रही है, गाड़ी बुला रही है, सीटी बजा रही है, चलना ही जिंदगी है, चलती ही जा रही है, गाड़ी बुला रही है, सीटी बजा रही है. And it goes on. आगे तूफान, पीछे बरसात, ऊपर गगन पे बिजली, आगे तूफान, पीछे बरसात, ऊपर गगन पे बिजली, सोचे न बात, दिन हो के रात, सिग्नल हुआ के निकली, देखो आ रही है, देखो वो जा रही है, गाड़ी बुला रही है, सीटी बजा रही है. No alarm required now. Thank you.
Lovely. And the Gari being all your opportunities, Gari being what you're meant to do with your potential. The Gadi is a metaphor for everything. Gadi bula rahi hai, CT baja rahi hai. And I think the CT is already been bajaued for lots of people, but they're not yet listening to the Gadi. You know what I mean? So yeah, so Gaadi bula rahi hai, Siti baja rahi hai. This is basically using your potential. It's not just meant to just stay, it's meant to be manifested. So this is literally inviting all the ladies to be able to use their potential. Do not put self-imposed restrictions to your own potential. Gaadi bula rahi hai, Siti baja rahi hai. Okay, the next one, Deepak.
Zindagi, this song always, takes me to some wrong lane. This reminds me of another song, but जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत है। जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत है। थोड़े आंसू है, थोड़ी हंसी, आज गम है तो कल है खुशी। जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत है। जिंदगी रात भी है, सवेरा भी है। जिंदगी रात भी है, सवेरा भी है। जिंदगी है सफर और बसेरा भी है। जिंदगी है सफर और बसेरा भी है। जिंदगी एक पल दर्द का दाव है, दूसरा सुख भरी छाव है। जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत है।
Great stuff. I think so. We've got like two messages here. One is Gaadi bula rahi hai, Siti baja rahi hai. And the Gaadi is your potential. The Gaadi is all that you're supposed to and meant to become. The Gaadi is all the opportunities that you have, all the skills that you have that you must manifest, all the strengths that you have that you must bring forward to the world. And the other one being that the road's not going to be easy, right? It's going to test your potential all the time. So zindagi ki yahi reet hai, haar ke baad hi jeet hai. Which is you will experience some downs and you're not supposed to take those so seriously and to heart. You're supposed to fight back and come right back, right? So both ladies and all the men who are on this call, I'm hoping that you're building some excitement and feeling more inspired about yourself and about your careers. So I think with that, I'm going to come to something which is a bit of a woman special, right? And it's called Woman in Love. All right. And now this is where a lot of stuff comes unstuck, right, ladies? So, I have a first song for you, which is when you fall in love or stroke get married, whatever that might be. Maybe both. Sometimes you've fallen in love and you've gotten married. So, woman in love. How can we have a story about women without talking about love, without talking about marriage? So, love and marriage, yeah. And this is a song dedicated to all the women in India, whether they're working or not working. And tell me if you don't agree with me in the chat, right? Let me know immediately if you say, oh, I don't quite agree. I don't think this is how it really works anymore, right? This is so true. I'm seeing even the millennials and the Gen Zs getting married. This is true for everyone. Okay, so this is a universal one. I'm taking the risk of saying this on behalf of all the women, all right? So this song for getting married, falling in love and being married, okay? तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं, सजदे सर झुकता है यारा मैं क्या करूं, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं. Deep conditioning. And for all the men on the call, if you're feeling really elated and excited, this is exactly how women feel about you the minute they've fallen in love or they've decided to get married. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, I'm now blinded to everything, especially my ambition. And I'm only going to wake up from all of this a little later to say I shouldn't have, I couldn't have, I should have, and so on and so forth. So here's my song for the ladies instead. Okay, so change your love song from this one. The Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi song is also my favorite, by the way. But I'm asking you to change your love song. All right. And here's a new love song for all of you. All right. So take note of it and I think you'll find it interesting. It's from an old movie, actually, from movie that came in several years ago, which starred Babita, the actress Babita. But it's got the most profound words for a woman who's in love and who wants to go to marriage or who's already married. All right. So here's what your love song ought to be.
हम राज हम ख्याल तो हो, हम सफर बनो, तय होगा जिंदगी का सफर, हम सफर बनो, हम राज हम ख्याल तो हो, हम नजर बनो, तय होगा जिंदगी का सफर, हम सफर बनो, आहा 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 आहा, चाहत के उजले उजले सितारों में ले चलूं, दिल झूम जाए ऐसी बहारों में ले चलूं, आओ हुजूर तुमको सितारों में ले चलूं, दिल झूम जाए ऐसी बहारों में ले चलूं, आओ हुजूर आओ.
What beautiful words, right? हम राज हम ख्याल तो हो, हम नजर बनो, तय होगा जिंदगी का सफर, हम सफर बनो, आहा 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 आha. It's even sounding so soothing, right? She's so soothed with the fact that you see me as an equal. You know, we have the same perspective about life. We've taken the effort to be able to choose because we have the same worldview. That you basically are my confidant. You're the person who's the closest to me. You're my friend, basically, and that's why I'm marrying you. Yeah, I'm going to contrast it with तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं. The kya karu is what carries on for the rest of your life. This is my view, and I'm going to share it with everyone on the on the call today, to be able to say equality is so important starting at home, right? And I think with that we'll come to the next one, and this time our next segment is A Woman Needs Friends, right? And here I have to underline that, especially as we celebrate women and we celebrate Women's Day and we celebrate opportunities that women can have at work and can create for other women at work as well. Madeleine Albright had a very nice quote, and it said that there's a special place in hell reserved for women who don't help other women. And so I'm going to repeat that again. There's a special place in hell reserved for women who don't help other women. And, unfortunately, women, as they start getting more powerful and successful, have a reputation for not helping other women. So I'm going to use the opportunity of Women's Day to be able to underline this, is that while you want compassion and you need support and you need sponsorship and you need allyship, so do other women. And so the job of every woman who's inside a room is to help the women who didn't make it to that room, right? And so I want to talk about women and want to talk about friendship in the context of women. And so the first one, yeah, which is basically Deepak singing this to be able to bring it to life. Yeah, Deepak?
Well, that was some warning. साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, एक अकेला थक जाए तो मिलकर बोझ उठाना, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, एक अकेला थक जाए तो मिलकर बोझ उठाना, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना. हम मेहनत वालों ने जब भी मिलकर कदम बढ़ाया, हम मेहनत वालों ने जब भी मिलकर कदम बढ़ाया, सागर ने रास्ता छोड़ा, पर्वत ने शीश झुकाया। फौलादी है सीने अपने, फौलादी है बाहें, हम चाहे तो पैदा कर दे चट्टानों में राहें, हम चाहे तो पैदा कर दे चट्टानों में राहें। Let us realize our potential. Thank you.
Okay, all right. And so Saathi Haath Batana, and this is not just which is not just men helping women, but women helping women, which is what we're basically asking for. And I think with that, do we want to move to the next song? Deepak, do you want to move to the next song? And this is again another personal favorite. This is the power of having friends, and I think when it comes to friends and friendship, this is easily one of the greatest songs of our times. And I know it's an extremely important song for many people, like it is indeed for me. So Deepak, do you want to go with this?
Sure, sure. दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं। दौलत और जवानी एक दिन खो जाती है, सच कहता हूँ सारी दुनिया दुश्मन हो जाती है। दौलत और जवानी एक दिन खो जाती है, सच कहता हूँ सारी दुनिया दुश्मन हो जाती है। उम्र भर दोस्त लेकिन साथ चलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं। थैंक यू।
दौलत और जवानी एक दिन खो जाती है, सच कहता हूँ सारी दुनिया दुश्मन हो जाती है। उम्र भर दोस्त लेकिन साथ चलते हैं, आहा दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं।
We included this because there are a lot of women who say that between work and their homes, they don't have time for friends. And this is an invitation to all the women who have used this as a reason to not keep up with their friends, is that you must have friends, both men and women as friends, but you must have friends. You must meet your friends. You must find the space to be able to meet them. You must make sure that you are managing your time in a manner that you can meet friends. This is going to be most important. If you read the 100-year life, we all have at least 25 years on the other side of retirement. You cannot not have friends and cannot have family and the and work as reasons for this. So this is just simply not showing compassion to yourself. This is just denying yourself of excitement, fun, and joy. And it's soon going to become a challenge on well-being. So I'm going to invite all the women, find the time. You take it upon yourself this Women's Day that you will have women and men as friends, and you will find time for them. You'll find time for your college friends, for your school friends. Go out of your way to go and meet friends, especially as you're passing and growing in time. Do not compromise on your time with friends. This is a strong recommendation. Friends are not just meant for school and college. You need them more than ever right now. So I'm just going to say one of your resolutions on Women's Day should be that you are going to make more women and men as friends, and you're going to find time for your friends. So good luck with that. Yeah. All right. Super stuff. And I think with that, we come to the last part. And here we're going to really leave you with the message of Carpe Diem, which is seize the day. Yeah. So basically, your career, your life, your happiness, your well-being is all dependent on how you treat each day and how you treat yourself every day. And so seize the moment is going to be the message. So I'm going to let Deepak take the lead and then I'll try and sing the last song. Okay. So Deepak, over to you.
Hey, hey, hey. आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो, पल जो ये जाने वाला है, हो आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, एक बार वक्त से लम्हा गिरा कहीं, एक बार वक्त से लम्हा गिरा कहीं, वहां दास्तां मिली, लम्हा कहीं नहीं, थोड़ा सा हंसा के थोड़ा सा रुला के, पल भी ये जाने वाला है, हो।
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
Thank you.
Aane wala pal jaane wala hai. So this is literally invitation for Carpe Diem to be able to seize the day. And I'm going to have the privilege to be able to complete this. And Deepak, I'll sing the last one. All right. So to here's this, and this is again, this is a message out to every single person who's around a woman, whether it's her family, whether it's her husband, whether it's her children, whether it's her boss, whether it's her sponsor, whether it's her ally. This message is out to all of them, right? And for the women to know that, this is so, so important. Yeah. So this is a message on behalf of all the women to all of you who are around a woman. All right. जीत जाएंगे हम, हो जीत जाएंगे हम, तू अगर संग है, जिंदगी हर कदम एक नई जंग है, जिंदगी हर कदम एक नई जंग है, तूने ही सजाए हैं मेरे होठों पे ये गीत, तूने ही सजाए हैं मेरे होठों पे ये गीत, तेरे प्रीत से मेरे जीवन में बिखरा संगीत, मेरा सब कुछ तेरी देन है, मेरे मन के मीत, मैं हूँ एक तस्वीर, तू मेरा रूप रंग है, जिंदगी हर कदम एक नई जंग है, जीत जाएंगे हम, तू अगर संग है, जिंदगी हर कदम एक नई जंग है, बट जीत जाएंगे हम, तू अगर संग है. So I think we come to an end of what we have. Now we're very excited to know who are the people who want to come forth, open mic, what inspired you, what songs come into your head, which ones do you want to come in and talk about? Come on. So we want to, do we have names? Raman, do we have anyone who's volunteered already?
There's R. Vanamali. He wants to sing Aaj Chal Ke Tujhe.
Okay, come on. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Okay, that's me. Hi, Deepak.
Hi.
Deepak and me are co-singers.
Oh, lovely. You're right. Super.
I think this song Aaj Chal Ke Tujhe actually talks of hope, direction. All right. It talks of how there can be, good and bad things in life. But then as long as you pursue your goals, you will reach them. Okay. So I think the song has some message, and I just sing a few notes.
Okay.
चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले, जहां गम भी न हो जहां गम भी न हो, आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले, सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे, सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे, चंदा की किरण से धुलकर घंघोर अंधेरा भागे, चंदा की किरण से धुलकर घंघोर अंधेरा भागे, कहीं धूप खिले कहीं छाँव मिले, लंबी सी डगर न खले, जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले,
Lovely, lovely, superb,
ऐसे गगन
superb,
के तले.
superb,
Thank you.
superb, lovely, Mr. Banwali, lovely.
Thank
So I can see Vandana would like to sing. So Vandana, can we bring you in?
Yeah, thank you. So indeed, it's a great pleasure. Wishing one and all Happy Women's International Day. Very innovative concept. I'm so inspired. And then Dr. Deepak Deshpande, it was awesome listening to you. And it gave me a different perspective to listen to that song,
Yeah.
And offline, I would like to meet Sujaya and take it in a little more detail,
Of course. Okay, go ahead.
So let's
Sing
go.
your song.
See, there are two songs came in my mind. So one Mukhda, I will just take off it. एक तो ये है जैसे दीपक सर ने बोला कि गाना ही जीवन है, म्यूजिक हिल्स, जिंदगी प्यार का गीत है, इसे हर दिल को गाना पड़ेगा, जिंदगी गम का सागर भी है, हंस के उस पार जाना पड़ेगा। और जैसे सबने बोला कि जो भी है ना जीवन में, कुछ भी आगे होगा पीछे होगा, दैट एवरीथिंग वी डोंट नो, सो लेट्स बी इन दिस प्रेजेंट, हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, एंड दैट रिमाइंडेड मी, आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है, जो भी है बस यही पल है, जो पल आपके हाथ में है. I have tomorrow my own Women's Day celebration going on, but this kept me Allah, means आपके साथ ही जुड़ गई मैं, I postponed my appointments, मतलब मैं 5:40 को मिलती हूँ. That is the power of aura of you all, basically. And thank you very much giving me an opportunity to share some wisdom with you.
Yeah, well, it was lovely, beautiful choice of songs. Yeah, Priyambi, do you want to go next? I don't know who wants to go. Priyambi, I think.
No, I just wanted to really congratulate everybody who's here, not just Sujaya, not just Deepak Deshpande ji, but all of y'all, because we are all celebrating each other, including all genders, I really feel every day is a Women's Day and every day is a Men's Day. It's our day, we have to seize the moment. I think it's such a wonderful concept, and you guys are such fantastic singers. You rightly mentioned it's about, how you sing and how you put in your soul into it. It doesn't make a difference how it's originally sung, as long as you're having fun and so this is wonderful. Actually, one of the things that moved me, one is gratitude. And the other is optimism, which was not part of this piece, but somewhere, if you are grateful for everything that comes your way, anything, you're falling, then also you're grateful, you're at your peak, then also you're grateful. Then you'll always be optimistic about life, and that's what I feel. So one of the things, and that is also, resilience to failure. It's all linked, right? So I want to sing Hawa Ke Jhonke.
Lovely. Sing. Go ahead.
I'll pick that up. हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए. One moment, I think I'll have to put the.
Don't worry about it. Just keep going, yeah, because I said make it your own.
Yeah,
Then just
and
make it
the
your
lyrics
own
at
and
least.
keep going, yeah.
I can't. All right, let me go.
Make it your own. Little.
हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए, गुलों की शोखियां जो भंवरे आके लूट गए, बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा, इसी बहाने क्यों न मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा संवार लूं, संवार लूं, संवार लूं, हाय संवार लूं.
Lovely. You should come and join us the next time and become the singer. You're that good. You're very good. Excellent.
We're all singers, no? We're all joining anyways.
Yes. Yeah, but lovely. Super.
ये
Very nice.
सारी कोयलें बनी है आज डाकियां, कुहू कुहू में चिट्ठियां पढ़े मजाकियां. ये सारी कोयलें बनी है आज डाकियां, कुहू कुहू में चिट्ठियां पढ़े मजाकियां. इन्हें कहो कि ना छुपाए किसने है लिखा बताए, उसकी आज मैं नजर उतार लूं, संवार लूं, हाय संवार लूं, संवार लूं, संवार लूं. हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए, गुलों की शोखियां जो भंवरे आके लूट गए, बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा, इसी बहाने क्यों न मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा संवार लूं, संवार लूं, संवार लूं, है संवार लूं.
Lovely. You have lots of praise on the chat, so don't miss that. Yeah,
Too good, too good.
Too good. Very nice.
I feel so upbeat every time the songs come. It's a very
Yeah.
upbeat song. You know?
It
So
is,
thank
it
you
is.
so much for the
And you're
Beautiful.
singing literally from the soul, Priyambi. This is like so amazing. You are a very gifted singer. Your voice is coming from the soul, not from your vocals. Yeah, it's literally coming from here. It's just so beautiful. That's why it's touching everyone so much.
Thank you
So
so much.
beautiful. Very.
Can I sing?
Yeah, Preeti, do you want
Okay,
to?
yeah.
Okay, so we'll give Nihal the next, the next opportunity. But please go ahead.
Yeah. So I had selected this song, Lag Ja Gale, and the reason I like it is because it kind of tells me that everything has to be at the present moment, and whatever you can do best is what you have now. And it tells us to be so mindful in whatever we do, you know.
You know what I
So,
find so beautiful about your thought, Preeti, is because while lag ja gale कि फिर ये हंसी रात हो या हो ना हो शायद फिर इस जन्म मुलाकात हो ना हो, it's almost like a promise to yourself and to your own life. So it's lag ja gale myself. You know what I mean? To my own life. And I think it's so beautiful, your thoughts. So please go ahead.
yeah. So I'll start. लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो. लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो. लग जा गले.
Beautiful, lovely. And Preeti, you have so smartly navigated all the tones which were high pitched. You've just navigated them and still gone on to be able to sing so beautifully well. So skilled, really. I mean, beautiful, very nice. And I like the choice of the song. And it's such a beautiful invitation to yourself, right?
Yes.
Yeah, the Lag Ja Gale can be to yourself. And I think that's just so beautiful.
Absolutely.
Thank you for that. Yeah.
Preeti, more power to you.
Thank you, Deepak. Pleasure to be here and always wanted to be part of this group. So thank you.
Same, red shirt.
Okay.
We have Sudhir Kaushik who wants to
Yeah,
sing.
Sudhir Kaushik.
Joined today. That's and lovely day, or the way you are actually celebrating Women's Day. So I love my Dadi because
Okay.
she has taught me from the very beginning when I was kid that you have to respect first women. That's the first thing you have to do, and then the relation comes with the respect only. So that's where. But there are difficulties in life, in job, everywhere. So my song goes. ये जीवन है, इस जीवन का यही है, यही है, यही है रंग रूप, थोड़े गम हैं, थोड़ी खुशियाँ, यही है छाँव धूप, ये जीवन है। धन से न दुनिया से, घर से न द्वार से, सांसों की डोर बंधी है प्रीतम के प्यार से। ये ना छूटे, ये ना टूटे, ये ऐसा बंधन है, ये जीवन है, इस जीवन का यही है रंग रूप. Thank you for the
Lovely,
opportunity.
lovely. Beautiful, beautiful. Anyone
Thank you.
else who wants to go? Akhil, you're only clapping and you're quietly listening. I know Akhil is a singer himself. So Akhil, can we get you to say something? Few lines, come on. Any favorite song, any favorite philosophy, anything that has gotten inspired today? Or your message to the ladies?
I can't think of a song, but I must say that it is so unique way of learning and remembering and recalling. Amazing. If I had thought of this, some song that really touches me, I would have sung, but very impressed with the format and the whole engrossing way we are doing this. Thank you so much. And Deepak, you are not only a good singer, but both of you have done a lot of research. It looks very obvious that which song to be shared today.
Sujaya ji, come on.
Priyambi and Sudhir's song, and also the other lady, Priti. That type of thing is a very strong messaging to me. If you hear that song, it will be very obvious that I remember the message behind it, not only the tune and the melody. Yeah, I never looked at this way, Sujaya, that you like a song for some reason, but if you connect with that of a particular messaging, then it becomes more meaningful. Thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah. And I think there's so much of wealth that is hidden in beautiful poetry that you find in the antaras. For a lot of people, they just learn the mukhada or they know the mukhada and they feel, oh, it sounds nice, the tune's good. I would really urge everyone to really invest in the antaras. I think they're just beautiful poetry, and often gets overlooked for some reason. And I think the older songs have got really some outstanding lyricists who've really written really outstanding poetry. But
the spontaneity with which Priyambi and Sudhir sang, it was like, okay, we're conveying a message, not the skill of singing. And I'm really very touched, very touched. Thank you, Priyambi.
Yes.
Thank you,
Thank
Sudhir.
you. So I'm just wondering, Priyambi, since we want to leave this stage to the women of the future, and I think that people like yourself actually
represent
that. Why don't you sing the last song and we'll bring this to a closure?
Sure,
Girija wanted to sing,
Sujaya, but there's
Sujaya.
Girija who wanted to sing a
Okay,
favorite
Girija is also
song.
there.
So
Okay, Girija, can we bring you in?
if you have time, yeah,
Yeah,
I think then
Right.
I'll go. Otherwise, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Girija, go ahead.
Yeah, if it is possible, maybe it could become a chorus for those who know the song can all join. That's
Yeah.
amazing.
This is a Tamil song. This
Yeah.
talks about the potential of women.
Lovely.
It talks about that she is an unusual raga. So she is like the cloud that gives rains when it is required, when it is heated up. And at the same time, when there is heat, when there is too cold, she gives the warmth to the family. So that is the kind of song. It talks about how she is Sita and Madhavi and Bhairavi all at the same time.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice.
So Adisaya Ragam Ananda Ragam Avaluru Ragam Abhurva Ragam Adisaya Ragam Ananda Ragam Azhagiya Ragam Abhurva Ragam வசந்த காலத்தில் மழை தரும் மேகம் அந்த மழை நீரருந்த மனதினில் மோகம் வசந்த காலத்தில் மழை தரும் மேகம் அந்த மழை நீரருந்த மனதினில் மோகம் இசை எனும் அமுதினில் அவள் ஒரு பாகம் இசை என்னும் அமுதினில் அவள் ஒரு பாகம் இந்திரலோகத்து சக்கரவாகம் அதிசய ராகம் பின்னிய கூந்தல் கருநிற நாகம் பெண்மையின் இலக்கணம் அவளது தேகம் பின்னிய கூந்தல் கருநிற நாகம் பெண்மையில் இலக்கணம் அவளது தேகம் தேவர்கள் வளர்த்திடும் காவிய யாகம் தேவர்கள் வளர்த்திடும் காவிய யாகம் அந்த தேவதை கிடைத்தாலது என் யோகம் அது என் யோகம் ஒரு புறம் பார்த்தால் மிதிலையின் மைதிலி மறுபுறம் பார்த்தால் காவிரி மாதவி ஒரு புறம் பார்த்தால் மிதிலையின் மைதிலி மறுபுறம் பார்த்தால் காவிரி மாதவி முகம் மட்டும் பார்த்தால் நிலவின் எதிரொளி முழுவதும் பார்த்தால் அவள் ஒரு பைரவி அவள் ஒரு பைரவி அவள் ஒரு பைரவி அதிசய ராகம் ஆனந்த ராகம் அழகிய ராகம் அபூர்வ ராகம்.
Nice,
Thank you.
lovely. Beautiful,
Thank you so
beautiful.
much.
Thank you so much, for sharing this with all of us. I think this is such a jewel what you've just shared with everybody. And thank you for doing this, even if it's not
Very
in a
meaningful
common
song.
language.
Very
Yeah.
meaningful song.
Very,
Yeah.
very. And I can see it, and you were looking so blissful as you were singing it. So thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Thank
This was
you.
really beautiful. We've got Sunita Buyan, and Sunita is a great violinist. She's a national award winner. She is extremely multifaceted, omni-talented person. I'm sure a lot of you have already heard about her. And she's also an HR professional, and we have her on the call today. So Sunita, do you want to come forth and sing something?
First of all, thank you so much. And what a wonderful way, Deepak and Sujaya, to put this program together. So, and I just loved the song just now that we heard. And I've been watching this program since it started at 4:30. I've been hearing it, and I think just a small little thought that I want to express through my own mother tongue, which is people for people. We're talking about women, we're talking about uplifting each other, we're talking about helping each other, getting to our own goals, but with the help of each other and helping others also. So it's Bhupen Das' song, Bhupen Hazarika says that people for people, if people don't hold each other's hands, very soon the demons will come down on earth and we will be so ashamed that people are not helping each other. Very soon the world of demons will start helping us. So Manush Manusher Jonne, Jibon Jiboner Jonne is the Bengali version. Manush Manusher Jonne, Jibon Jiboner Jonne, একটু সহানুভূতি কি মানুষ দিতে পারে না ও বন্ধু মানুহে মানুহৰ বাবে যদিহে অকণো নাভাবে অকণো সহানুভূতিৰে ভাবিব কোনেনো কোৱা দুৰ্বল মানুহে যদি জীৱনৰ অগাধ নদী if people who are weak cannot cross the bold ocean of life what stops us from helping them পাৰ হৈ তোমাৰে সাহস তুমি হেৰুৱাবানো কি মানুহ যদি মানুহ জান দানৱ কাহানিও নহয় মানুহ যদি মান দানৱ কাহানিও মানুহ নহয় লাজ পাব কোনেনো কোৱা ও বন্ধু মানুহে মানুহৰ বাবে যদিহে অকণো নাভাবে একটু সহানুভূতি কি মানুষ দিতে পারে না ও বন্ধু
Lovely, beautiful. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice.
Thank you to everyone and thank you for
Super.
having me here.
Thank you. Thank you. We've just got another minute or two to go. So, Priyambi, you want to do the honors? Say something and then we can try and close this. I think we'll leave it for the women of today and tomorrow. So, full and thank you everyone for coming in. We wanted to catch you all early before you get busy with all your Women's Day celebrations. We saw how much fun we had when we brought in all the diversities together. So it's really not about gender. It's really about being able to respect people, respect talent, create equal opportunities, have compassion basically for each other. And, I think this today has been such a nice sort of embodiment of everything that diversity is supposed to manifest. So thank you for saying that, Priyambi, and thank you everyone for enabling this. And thank you for staying on. Thank you for making this possible today. Thank you for your time.